Hi and welcome to my first ever vlog, I guess. I usually don't do this kind of stuff, but I just thought that maybe I could record this because I'm actually on my way to the bus stop to meet my father and and then go to Oslo and pick up my all original 1963 guitar. It's all original, but it has been restored because the original finish had been like sprayed over or something in the color black or something. It was terrible. But yeah, a guy from Oslo did an incredible job to restore the guitar to its original shape, color, state, I don't know. So yeah, it's basically all original now. So I'm on my way to the bus stop. It's gonna be super cool. So I would love to show you this beautiful field here, but you can't really see anything right now, so I guess you just have to use your imagination. It's really beautiful, I promise. Okay, yes, we made it. I just need to wait a few minutes before the bus comes, but all good. Do I look cool now? I personally think that I look really cool. We did manage to get to Sem. We are almost in Tønsberg. We are in Norway, by the way. We did manage without dying. Okay, we just needed to do some quick things in Drammen, but now we are finally on our way to Oslo. So, yeah.
Det her synes jeg var moro. Ja, det er gøy når det blir liksom, man føler man får det tilbake igjen.
I'm on the toilet, just need to take a quick, but we have picked up the guitar and it's amazing. I'm gonna show you the guitar more in detail later when we get home, but we got a burger. So, I'm now all alone in the car because Dad needed to do run some errands or something. But now the guitar is back, and I'm gonna show you it. But first, I'm just gonna tell you about the guy who did this job. He goes under the name Pine Home Guitars. Incredible guy, the work he is doing. He makes guitars, he does things like this. Usually he doesn't do things like this, but he said he could sacrifice himself for an original 1963 guitar. But yeah, it's so amazing. This guy is such an amazing dude. So I will put a link in the description so you can check him out or something. But yeah, he makes guitars and stuff for famous people, you know. He has a real good he has a really good thing going, I guess you could say that. Okay, here's the original guitar case. Let's just open it up. Here we have it. Check an all original 1963. It's so amazing. It's stunning. Huh. Yeah, and this is kind of my main guitar. The tuners are original. The guitar is refretted really professionally by a guy named Avon. Just look, it's so good. The pickups are all original. The pickup switch, 3-way pickup switch, pots, everything. It's just amazing. He has only restored the paint, the finish, and oh gosh, look at it. So amazing. Yeah, so it has history. Let's see here. It's beautiful.